How to enable hardware acceleration in Discord. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can enable hardware acceleration, that is to use your dedicated GPU in order to make Discord more smoother. So let me show you how to enable this. So to enable this, simply click onto the user settings, and within the user settings scroll down. At the very last you will see this advanced option. So simply click onto this advanced option, and from here you can see hardware acceleration, which uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. Although there is also a warning that turn this off if you're experiencing any visual problems. So if you want to enable this, simply enable this by clicking onto this toggle, and your hardware acceleration is now enabled. If you do not see any of the changes getting reflected, try restarting your Discord or your Windows PC, and hopefully you will be able to have a much smoother flow of Discord. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.